McBrown's Kitchen. Adriani Petto. McBrown's Kitchen. Brina so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
McBrown's Kitchen. Ediane fa ede. Ebusiafo. Me mamu nyina akwa ba. I know so I ready. Send us over here McBrown's Kitchen. Thank you so much. And that's so I promise you say by the time I be show na we know. Me chen prophetess. Now I will niaje because ediane no ye be ye no. They say obia a professional in the kitchen, but sometimes you learn from somebody. Me boa. McBrown's Kitchen. Selango edianepa ede. Me mo akwaba. Me the high sense I say. So I saw me asema me the McBrown's Kitchen. Bro. Tasty Tom, the only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. Tasty Tom jollof mix. Jollof in a jiffy. Thank you so much. Awake purified drinking water. One is for life. One for life. Awake say 16 in a pack for the same price. First, no 15, right? So say 16 for the same price. Awake Gusuwa Krane Boshenwo. Cardio Center Kolebu. Be bakubi abetono. Ye used to kabum quarterly. Ya de Kobwa Cardio Center. Inti awake no. Launcher kitchen me kitchen mama. Launcher kitchen. Sa and I made that Borges olive oil I say. Borges olive oil and apple cider. Sa so and I made that Royal Kitchenware official Ghana. It might be long, but that's where quality in chance in ewo. Intinoko how be huomo. Me ba cho me that delay mackerel. Na pardon penim. Delay sardine picture like that. Delay spaghetti. Nini na was supermarket. Nini na wo dwa so benya biato. I was for omu na boy mam timi di show ne bro nti o se mitimi nyamre ma omu nti am fa nche me at the same time me nua mo eboa me ema ene mitimi sesie me ho me tinu ye Lisa Del GH manim ya Legina me do mo ase sana me da La Palm Royal Beach Hotel ase La Palm nyame sham me some bama me twa me ho aba me ba pem de McBrown's Kitchen bro life McBrown's Kitchen ediane pa ede McBrown's Kitchen Selango. There are the so there are 2020. High sense, ya mamunyina fichi apa. Enfi dudu amuni DJ nyina. Ya ni so, ya damu ase. Aye koso ekra ebo shemu se, ya be somo sompa. Afi 2020, ya jidi se ebe ya afepa. Ya promotion mo hwa ni munyina. Ya de be bremo. Amade wunya o high sense ho no. Watumi ato ni nyina. Emra so se oba be high sense ebusia ne ho. Mo hwa de diem. Me try Etikopo TV. Emra to say obejo high sense flat screen. Na wow air condition ye de pass ni kenika ne de. Emra no nie. Becho high sense air condition. Nen chile kama. Na wow fridge trip power ne. Brabeji high sense fridge and trip power back say. High sense pill. High sense pet and about 5 years warranty. Catch na for ebusiafo. Any obi bia say afi way a high sense afi. High sense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
And na edru meso se me di abusuan hia mu yeni. Se di emu nim no. Omo jaje ade bia obeye no so beba ho bi. Ti say uncle ni school judge no.
E was say who di kra no to school foforo mu.
Auntie ama subai muja.
Unse me so dodo.
Na mekuma. Awusiesie mu judge.
Debbie sister, want to mindre sister.
I was say we nya kokodro won hyehyeye bia obeye ho. Impo se nipa nyina na wonya adwe. Emum ade baako a wonyina agitum ne waduane no adedede ni ni hwam papa bia awon dro wom. Ani fe ani se de paste na pi. Na ye de fiber and vitamins aka wonti. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix mebusuani nyina aduane a ede. Esanso ma ho den. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
2351251.
McBrown's Kitchen. Ediane pa ede. Yeah. And na me nimi nua be ma na ebe bon komo. And na say me yesi mu ache inti asa ye nkomo bebre aye ba bedi say I will be happy say ne me ne ba ye diani eni nti me se mo ma me ma ne kwan na umra DJ please play me some music for my own brother. Hey Bernard Koo Musuo nobody go regular. We are Kumasi Niampa. We are Kumasi. So what's your down one?
Go.
Ben, you want to? Oh, I go. Baby, I go. I go. Yeah. This year. Thank you, DJ.
Yeah.
Bernard.
Hello.
Koo Musuo.
Yeah. Me Mr. Artist.
Sorry. Oh man, me phone so cross I must save no.
Mo say gani for sa kwanya o se ka jo mo save ni sa bia o ye remis. Mr.
Oh my goodness, my feel.
What's my feel brutal?
My feel too much.
My feel chance that we see after. Hey, my feel brutal.
Oh, I was from the 7 damn near Bemayasi. I'm not who Canada. Oh, about all the way to Canada. Mr. Mina could be more money, Mr. Just to come and visit us, and it was so amazing.
Yeah.
Because I said I'm about 3 months into mobile, and it was like, damn.
Say Unim say we are soul sister.
Oh,
I mean, me hwe mo anko an hye sa awoni. Oh, yeah, me sure. What's am so me bana me there. And mo nyam na bibia better. Oh, yeah. He's a very good guy. I love him.
Bernard, and also have a McBrown's kitchen.
Hey, I'm in boss special.
Bernard, I'm
in boss special.
Oh, you need to have a sensor.
Hey,
Abba. Oh, yes.
Abba. Launcher kitchen.
I'm telling you.
Oh, nice.
I'm telling you. When him say me who and many aji.
Hey, Magby. When him say me know there. Like way back. Almost 20 years before.
Yes. Hey, why am I senior?
There be me you senior saying.
Mama to.
I saw but to me but I am say higher kwa
okay, senior. One person wants to watch it. But you just say me see wo bella some chief
yeah.
What I say? But to matter Joyce.
Daniel Adele.
Daniel Pasha. Ben and I will be no idea on McBrown's kitchen.
And then my bama. And unse abrebiano me show. Me favorite show ne mo show.
Oh yeah.
On me say not even a single episode.
Ooh,
yeah.
You're right.
Abrebiano. Me who say aya omo hye dani mo aduane ye pa e na omo ba no mba ye aduane mo ye aduane to mo ye mo omo so eni mo aduane ye e na omo ni mo aduane ni di by your category bi wo ho sa category ye friend on the go especially omo ti abrocha na so omo ti kromo a
yes
omo adwuma omo fo omo adwuma ni agbo omo adwuma he omo every time
yes on the go
jollof there obi anim jollof
it's an jollof
me be special jollof rice
okay
with spicy hot chili chicken
yeah mewu ene de me yan crack trunk
me woni yan
crack trunk na te me yan so bebre
ene aduane e ba be ye no e so form a e form be pie
jollof on a different level
na aside that no cry no me jollof na me be ye ne munam no cry ye adebu.
Okay, that chicken one, who means meat?
Means meat. America for be friend ground beef.
Ground beef. That's a grounded beef. Yes, so
means meat. Yeah, and then my yasha there nya botre twitwa na kaka. Who say we jollof most of the time we jollof. Na o de nam no omo chi nam na bi wa na ye denden ya na se nam ni hihye mu a. Entimi hye da mini.
And e be ho jollof. Sir, 1 minute to me for some
Mudi obi an katre mo abone ba he de.
Na me didi obi didi jam.
Okay. Atwefo hu na. Ye wo minced meat wa ha, ye wo chicken wa ha say, ye wo onions, ye wo garlic,
Ginger.
And my favorite.
Oh, yes.
Tasty Tom Jollof Miss.
Tasty Tom.
Boys now. When you on the go, and we hear the way be. We hear be. You want vegetables, wahase, and waha, just say spices, just a baby, a bema jollof, not tea.
Who spices? Me who mekosam.
Sure.
Some chili no. Me who black pepper. Me who corn. Me who peas. Me who white pepper and chili.
Salt.
And a nutmeg. And a milk.
Good. And you want.
And I am one year. Yes.
It's a very simple.
Bet.
Good. Dear, you been here. Jollof, you been here, young one.
I like that. I like the film.
Okay, good. Now.
Yeah, me soja no quick. And then they say we see mini jollof. One year jollof and many uncle America.
Oh, who them say a giant here? Sabi, ya we wo a fear. Say fear musa no. Ya aduane a. What you home when you won't be and I wash it.
Yes.
So on the measure no. And nyame ya dom ya san ware. Especially maybe ya kodino. Oh.
Just to help each other.
Sure. And yet time beyond now, you remember being your time about being Jahan with Diane. Tia, I want to go no. You better try Jenny.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then you're making your wife proud.
Oh.
You're making your mama proud.
Oh, maybe you know something booming to me yet. I'm saying, okay.
Now that you're one eye.
Also, me, here, Diana, mean one a day.
And then every day dance, man.
Me so boy. I want to be graduated that. A man be graduated young. Kitchen.
And I'm from home.
So, NTB, you try, onions,
onion, where your friend of all African country. That means chef will be every home.
Of course. And when I catch you say, wait a food on the go.
On the go. Into your onion neighbor, that one a chicken mantino.
Me patch me take in a jahon to me, sure.
Coming by Janet, I heard my hand. Yeah,
and no, my son, I'm the boom film. What's a may you chairman taxes? Yes, really good channel. Come on.
Oh, okay, come on, here. Eh, my year. But how long now, worry?
How long? Oh, my wife since 2000. Okay, say
my roughly
from
Pratchett to now.
From Pratchett to now, about 10 years. And the next step on our faith, you tell us jollof for the hey, you were formless, baby, idea jollof.
Okay,
but formless, Nina, and Nina Bacope. One cassa one moon, one send you see penal. And to way, Obuan jollof for per se, be a honey hole, also swa, or penny sochi, or also swa.
How do you want your
media? Me pedie EP. Jollof who and you put me. What you say? Very easy. Oh, tasty Tom for.
I shame already. Wash them already. I know a scissors.
Oh, nice. This side. Okay. And one so yeah, and I said, what piano you know?
Ebe pia kama.
So toothpaste the sun on his car, but to be nice. Pia asiana and
on the go. We know him say when your time now piano in a going. Ube to me as I go back.
No, yes, sir.
So, into no say ya tigum. And I jollof on the go. What piano
on the go.
On the go jollof.
Send your old dear.
So we had not a swa. Everything the account, you know. What the moon?
Oh, 5 years, okay. 5 years, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 years, okay.
Now, when him say, we no so no. Meko, a womb, Jenny,
a miss. Oh, me fire me redeem on. I must say, hey, I need a testy Tom for you.
Annie.
Oh, why your mother said, for me, and you know, mobile,
Annie. On the go. Now, we him how long or so frying?
Oh, within about 4 minutes, now say, BBI come on. Now, fair in so. And so there, send ye see shut your love no. Send your love no, ebe and na overshare who did and who so agum. Obi ho open jollof se be den. obi also open se be ye mremremre obi also open ho ne ho enti eno be che won su a wo de be na go jollof.
You're right. In fact, oh,
okay. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that you can be free. You get me?
Minutes.
Oh, okay.
You know.
Into no ben, 4 minutes now.
Yes, they say 4 minutes now. Into the be say ye day. Yum. Once me can't already know a tasty tom jollof mix. Into bibia wo da. Bibia wo. Enya fe na over how ho akofe fa ne ma de agum bibia wo
powder, garlic, ginger.
On my life I simple man on the go for. Yeah, normally no I am in pet and more out.
Yeah, they will pay. McBrown's kitchen.
Me pet and more out.
So we take all the rice.
Yes, yes.
And then
na num mama and then stew no.
Oh, and that's a move nipa num.
Oh yes, nipa num betimi a family of 5, 6 betimi. But who a family? Na say obi te say and the Dusty Bella Samoa and then akwaba what they say and then Michael friend was our family name there
after me dey nyam obodi
e nipa be 2
jollof night
so on say we kra enye na hwe kra so honi so I said ya no ano nti we afa kra dey nsuo be dey e ba be kum
okay
nti
all right mama nsuo
yeah the nsuo my friend said 2/3 of the bowl
okay okay
wow yeah stay in the camera so gentle stay
Bernard we are purely Kumasi boy right
me pacho ye wo me Kumasi ye titi me Kumasi ye wo me no me ko school Kumasi me school nyina from primary school to university bibia Kumasi
okay
ti me free Kumasi me fan say the whole world baby mienu and matena for more than like a year mentena be okay baby mienu matena for more than like 2 years
what I mean 5 years
5 years baby mienu pe eye Kumasi and New York Ashtown Kumasi and Bronx New York
Ashtown Bronx yeah no dance is here
say the shrimp powder ne kakra e be piste so say ne be ya
oh okay
tasty no
this is your shrimp powder this is shrimp powder no kakra
so that's a man nice taste sir the thing say I say mommy enya careful kaka enchine nhyeda enchine eye na emom enema di enya wo nipadua nim no enchine ka ho bi
okay
enti say wo di nchine na why very careful me nyo obi a me penchine
okay
na aside that no ye ba be ya de we no ye spices na ye de be ye ye ground beef and as a minced beef meat no eno no enchine bebre wom enti onchine pa ye be say de egu aduanem de kakra bi
okay
say ne be ya enkoye say you know crabby
voila
ye jollof no ye say process no ewia ne sa enti
wow okay
say no ade a wo say e baso ground beef and minced meat no
say o ka o say say wonum
say wonum me ka hwe kura na ye me da say wonum oni ba kro be ba bi di no
okay say ya
oh we're ready
okay and you call the next thing right
you call the next thing you say enam no the brony friend and minced meat no no and as I say ye be hwe na ye di ho dwuma
as in how
say ye be say e wo say ye punu na kakra
okay
ye de niam e hyehyem we te say the one kasa wo be your corn beef
okay
so ne de hyehyem wonim de say ye pese e get de
wo say wo punu ye le wo be punu
means me be punu means meat no
e ba cho punu no
okay twitwa jene jene ene ye be twitwa ne a blend near the ginger so aka ho afi garlic and is here for two na no so you blending in na
okay
enti mpacho blender na menya blender okay
Bacha o niema no o be blend o nsuo be fra na o blend.
But yemfa nsuo bia amfra. Yemfa nsuo bia amfra.
Okay.
Enti eno no ene ye de ba be punu. Eye minced meat and as a grounded beef no.
Okay. And yemfa ebusa for yen hwe na. Me see ye be didi. Now Ashton boy. Wakata ko school no bibia wo kuma school be na akokọ e.
Oh me fan say me basic education. Peter's Educational Center.
Me ba em blending we. Kaka sa we blend.
O blend I me wash me inside because me ba be fa meat no. Okay.
Wa call Ronsa.
Me pacho
Enka me kan be ma gloves.
No, me okay.
We okay like that. Mama fantoa. Ben wa ha. To my blend here we.
We no yamfa. Ensuo bi angum yamfa bibia angum na ehwe ya de. So pacho man.
Na so don sakra betimi atete o. Because yeah, to blade no.
Me very careful pa.
Enti u ko Peters no.
Me free Peters. And I me call me secondary school.
Say dey wo from kra.
Kumasi High School.
Okay.
Me free Kumasi High School na. Me per spoon. To say you know. Ye percent we ne so. Ye yan local corn beef na ye ground beef no. Ye percent ye man ye very hot and chilly. Enti ye be ma no
pepper no.
Grinded pepper no.
Aye.
1 spoon.
Na se we me ko sam.
Aye. Na afi grinded shrimps no, powdered shrimp no. Okay. And so 1 spoon.
And so 1 spoon. Okay.
Na me nyo bi a me penchene.
Okay.
But you know, just to give it a little taste.
Okay.
Nti ya de nchine kakra bi ebe som.
Okay. Matu ase. Eni aye ne den.
Say no, ye fe na ye be fa ye nam no.
Ye ma me hwe. De wo ye.
Ti ye fa ye nam na. Ye ba be ye ankasa. Ye beef. Na de tie ne say.
Okay.
Na ye de ade ni nyina fra.
Ento de be fra. Okay.
Se ne be ya.
Enti ye yusu ni nyina ho.
Ye yusu ni nyina.
E no wanu mi ode.
Enye manum nko anana. Me be bia ye me de. Nye manum nko a. Aya bisa me yire. Nye manum nko ana ye me.
Akuma.
Be ma de oti ho a. Enye wonum nko ana ma. E wo so ma ne ye ode. Because be ma oti ho a wo ye adwuma. Ye adwumaden. Wo ye adwumaden a oba bia be ye ode. Nye wonum nko a.
Yo. Bronze burger. From
me to Bronx bio.
It's okay.
Me to baby from Jersey City.
Jersey City.
But you make Jersey City.
Jersey City. South America.
Ya na ka katrema.
Bernard, where wo kan fra you? Wo punu ni. Ya be chi ana se bende.
Ye nche. Ye be on say, ye pese, ye te se de. Aso wa ye jollof no we tu kombi for buso no.
Oh.
Enti ye de nam yi ye de babe shi mi babe bono te se de ochibo fruit no. Ni ma biebie mu nim na de ahyehyehyem. Ti emmene no. Oh. Emmene no ese wano ense woka kire.
Bernard. Ene ye mfa nkwa e. All right, nti ye be ye no sa no. Okay.
Nti me pa cho.
Emo no nie.
We nsi ha mame. Afi.
Mama fa we nsi ha.
Okay. Thank you. Nti emo ni nie.
Yes.
Ti ye one say na unse mo no ensuo no enwoye ensuo no nwoye ensuo no wom dada enti ensuo no na bebene
mini waduane say
so ti na de ato boko unum unum no asa abo mama ne nye mema wonum nye odepi na mfa na akakraka make sure say de o si ti no eno a betimi anu akama
Bernard your strategy we dear
enti so
wow. Asa wa fele baby a.
Unum nse nam ne doso pa.
We wish for Bernard Aduse Poku. AKA
Mr. Aduse Poku.
Koo Musuo. To say bende.
To say you be for clean napkin. Na ye de akata so. And sana ye de netino. Ti napkin no boys amuofi amhwe no. Napkin I am money so clean.
Yeah.
Make sure said you are this session very clean.
Well, so many unim strategy back so.
Oh. Tell me, Kayo.
Say, yeah, jollof no. At least, yeah, who baby no kwakusi.
Sure.
What about these things?
Okay, so they say I feel about chicken. So
okay.
If I see a chicken, I say, wow, we are out to me say yes. Wow, we are there.
Okay.
What's like chicken the under normal circumstance, no? I feel now we blend the spices and then near me go home one time watch. But suddenly me can the on the go.
On the go.
Anytime.
Okay.
Until you babe a very short way you bet me a chicken, no?
Okay.
Within some few minutes, ne, yeah, you be.
And the uncle.
Until where you flour.
It's some.
Inti it's some ni. I want a chicken in no so. Inti you share home flour no. Any a far home flour. Inti any.
Okay. And I dear be.
And yeah. One pepper no. Maybe say me pepper.
Okay.
Inti me be no pepper ewom. Grind pepper no. And we a black pepper.
And can some dry pepper.
Dry pepper no. And we a black pepper. Black pepper so you besa. And also just a spoon.
Okay. All right. Tia de me ko sam no egum. And ya de ne tuntum ne black pepper so
egum. And white pepper no.
Ayo.
And also so 1 spoon.
Egum. Okay. And ye be didi say.
And afi we on say ye de yetina if you twehiem. And as a compound house. A family house.
Yes.
Ye na no mo kire hwentia. And pepper. With the abundance and money, and to weigh typical African spices.
Okay.
And you be mano
1 spoon.
Now,
so fast, ya fabi bia ka o nutmeg na shrimp powder.
Shrimp powder, and also so yeah, the crabby sum.
Okay.
And
okay.
Now, for you the not milk. So.
Yeah. Ain't no ya bobo ne manu subio. Meko sam. Where's your black pepper? And also no. White pepper.
Yeah.
And a way there.
There's a way you dim. Sure.
And a nutmeg. And a shrimp powder.
Yes.
And chilling the one for you.
There be means a macadica catchers and you be a pension.
Matewasi. And a year canfra.
Inti ya canfra kama.
Okay.
So now you may make sure say be a
fra kama.
Inti.
Okay. You ever try check me and come on. So high school. From then I also can university as
I may call KN University, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. And me call school.
Oh, na kwaya course by.
Make career architecture. Inti me school no baby me ko do ye no.
One time.
When aja ye betwa mu miensa. Miensa say dey be ya. Architecture. Architecture. KN University.
Enti no sua wie no dey bibi.
Me sua wie no anche bia na me kotena abrochire.
Oh, okay.
Me koduru abrochire so on say abrochire ade ba ko ne say. Me architecture no so.
O ye dey utwitwa ho kakra.
Me twitwa ho kakra say ne be ya. Ye dey spices na anyway no milk na marinate na ebitimi awurawura mu ye.
Oh, okay. Enti wo kwa abroche wo de wo course na kwaye ho na adwuma ho ana. Me
pacho de bi ntimi kwa abroche no. Me hu se me kasa me dem course am sua wo KN University no ebe ye adwuma. Na wo se me hyase all over again. Me sa ko school ni bio hyase. Na se me hu ni say a long process mami.
Okay, enti when you piepie ho.
Me ye marketing kakra. Sales and marketing kakra.
Okay.
And na nsemu ho na say IT ade bia sika efechi sika pa.
Me pa cho ye be den say oh
say me the milk no me ba be pour milk no me ye say ye milk no e ba be gum ti say na me kan ye no ma
ye de gu ha na de go
me de gu bowl ye mu say na be ya ye betimi marinate chicken no.
Okay, Bernard, where's your milk away? They say, hey, the name of a mini yana.
Me patch on my over to me, my pot in a barco.
What for?
I feel I maybe toss vegetables now.
Now, what's hatchet of chicken? And I remember 2 pots.
Me patch your
frying pan and a pot. Frying pan for the chicken.
Say my marketing, sales and marketing kakra.
And they say we had never broche sales and marketing.
No, man, yet sales say make them catch the IT and as I say a fetch pa. Ya me ya madam. Makwa ko sua cyber security. So
okay, watch my on internet.
More or less. I would do watch my on internet so. The thing say, say no. Baby we are see adru no. Bibia ye no internet so. Yeah. Enti nam say ye bibia on internet so no. Enti no. At least
we no okay.
Was say we make sure say ye benya bambo e wo internet. Enti no ho adwuma na.
Yeah. Number 2 ye den.
Enti say afi ye beto se vegetables no.
Okay.
Enti sene me kan ye pese bibia.
Yes, also pemeko.
Oh. Enti ya de mako kakra. Yedi mako kakra be pete ho na afi yamana ayi
black pepper no so kakra eh na mama gra me didi
powder shrimp no
shrimp powder egum eh Bernard na de wa be popo
na ye nananom de no ye hwentia fa so
pepper esrusa from wisa ene
nso so kakra
bi
ne de asoso
okay corn aburo ade bia ahodin wo pa enti corn no so be ba bi ayo
eno no ye mafan se the fire ne de be emufa ene be ye
okay oh wow the green pea no okay ene McBrown I'm going to eat oh afi na ne sane ma na wiyo ho
nti mpache mame oyo kakra na me fa enhye enam na se ye afei na ye ba be chi
ye chicken no
ye chicken na so for my be pie no
oh come on I can't wait
afei ye vegetables no toast one no so ye no so ahwe na yes ne pepper
enti we ye be sija so
me pache
na ya na ne dan na
pache enti ubetimi de si eja we so ama me
maso asieja no ti ye be kan we nyina fry
be ya pepper ne
bibia ne be kokon
powder
baby say won fancy kakra ngum
me pache won say vegetables no ensuo ejina ho dada okay vegetables na ho nsuo no na ebe no no
eno ho nsuo be no no
pache
that's right ben ye jollof way na ne ye commercial break because chicken dem person ka woche ya na mewe
don't worry chicken ne ye be chiam nti jollof ne adu ha ne sa
Ready? Num na de ayen de akakre. Kete.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
So ti yenam no.
Guani we ga say. Eyin so de guani to we ga say light. Oh damn.
Say yenam na eyi 11 ewo nti nana. So the tie ne say ye way no
jollof no
ye jollof no ye mpese vegetables ne ye minced meat no ground beef no ebe konto kwa o jollof no
okay
tini asheda ye jollof
separate no okay
and
now ye pese ye vegetables we your chicken no and sana ya commercial break since this one is on
and your chicken it is very simple you mix it spices and flour no and then your milk and then your chicken in it
yes
say you know if you say marinated chicken no so
yeah
enti
marinating is say like a kukum
don no
and opunu no
enti milk no
okay
so na we no enumodefo no
ena ye ni sei
enka meka enumodefo no nka ne wo mu benya na nka waye ni sei no de ahye fridge mama ade achi
hey Bernard
enti sa no enuru sa wo ba be wo de be fra
na nka ye
flour na
akukom ye Matias
na chese
enti usafo ya chicken na na ye chia no say ya veggies sausage aso ene na ye be commercial break aba because Bernard dey we dey o say yetimi di no sheshe jollof no so pick kama
sa
enti fatum ni ye hwe ani commercial break no ma
So, into when enche no na say. Okay.
Before so be the aka no nyina. For Bernard Aduse Poku and a McBrown's and then the kitchen hakama. Ye bibia chiche kama on the low be say. For high sense adarumo. High sense adarumo am Timmy McBrown's kitchen bro. High sense everyday prices for everyday people. And no me that tasty Tom I say. Tasty Tom near there put jollof. Where a jollof mix. I jollof revolution of our count. Sana made a awake purified drinking water. One for life. Launcher kitchen a mi jadi mami. Borges olive oil. Always the best. And then the vinegar. Sana made a royal kitchen with fish of one say. For Vincenzo Papa. The lay mackerel. The lay sardine. The lay spaghetti. I come sponsors. Mama ain't trying home right about the addition time. What I say? Bamana. Yana na ni comrades is here. McBrown's kitchen. Selango. Ediane pa ede. There are the assets so there are 2020. High sense. Ya mamu nyina fichi apa. Enfi dudu amuni ye DJ nyina. Ya ni so ya damu ase. Aye koso ekra ebo shemu se ya be somo sompa. Afi 2020 ye gidi se ebe ya afepa. Ye promotion mu hwa ni mu nyina. Ye de bebremu amade wo ye o high sense ho no. Watimi ato ni nyina. Emra so se oba be high sense ebusia ne ho. Mo hwe de diem. Me kira etikopo TV. Emra to say obejo high sense flat screen. Na wow air condition ye de pass ni kenika ne de. Emra no nie. Bejo high sense air condition. Nen chile kama. Na wow fridge trip power ne. Bejo high sense fridge and trip power back say. High sense pill. High sense pet and about 5 years warranty. Catch na for ebusiafo. Any obi bia say afiwe a high sense afi. High sense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
And na edru meso se me di abusuan hia mu yeni. Se di emu nim no. Omo jaje ade bia obeye no so beba ho bi. Ti say uncle me school judge no.
E was say wo di kra no to school foforo mu.
Auntie ama subai muja.
Unse mom so dodo.
Enna mekuma. Awusiesie mu judge.
Debbie sister, want to mendra sister.
I was say we nya kokodro won hyehyeye bia obeye ho. Impo se nipa nyina na wonya adwe. Emum ade abaako a wonyina agitum ne waduane no adedede ni ni hwam papa bia anwode dro wom.
Any fair any said your paste na pi. Na ye the fiber any vitamins aka wonti. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix mebusuani nyina aduane a ede. Esanso ma ho den.
Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
2351251. Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your girls. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges olive oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait. I'm supposed to say action first. I said wait.
Let's go again. Spaghetti. Delay.
No, cat. That's not it. Won't you talk?
Delay spaghetti is...
Cat. Do you think we are here to joke? You have eaten all the spaghetti. You have delayed the shoot. Eat the food and say the slogan. And action.
Delay spaghetti. Meda sipebre.
Boss, I beg. I'll be deadline.
You've got to be kidding me.
Sorry.
FDA, ahwehwe sa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atomu se eye.
McBrown's kitchen. Selango. Ediane pa ede. Ebusia. Bema na ba me kitchen oba me kan bibia se. Ediane a wa ba ye no. He. Also yebi wo fie. Enu nti na de McBrown's kitchen brewo. Enu entra seja eba no na so sesem na so ye foforo mihia na so aka method na treme na say ye the frafasa sa na ye kono. I ben Baby, I do know the also obey me. Ashton Burger.
McB.
Yeah.
McB.
Quite as him answer me. And
one time.
Ben McBrown's kitchen, they say, Anna, you know. Oh, say, oh, bar, won't cost some fight to say the walk shopping. What I say. Now, from down to top, oh, shut down a royal drinks. If you can sapreko, and then awake purified drinking water.
Oh, good.
And the what down, no?
Nice.
At the same time, no bar. Who wants a chance in here? Didn't know the aneno. Ebini.
Oh,
Ben,
wow.
Royal Kitchen well official Ghana for chance in here. Hey, papa.
Wow.
Me chop set in na.
Oh, wow.
I set in na any. 1, 2, 3. Shemumi and Saka.
Thank you.
Nina, your dear. Me pa chow. Sorry, box way swa. A high sense rice cooker and blender. And I'm the chow.
Oh, nice.
I'm from High Sense. Sana high tasty top.
Jollof mixture. Oh, good.
And one out the year in here. Borges olive oil.
Oh.
Borges, JM Ado and Sons. And San Rojuman. Sana delay mackerel. Delay sardine. Delay spaghetti. I check the way you from his sponsors.
Oh, wow.
See me for now.
Oh, Miss me Domas. Yeah.
So about McBrown's.
Yeah.
I very Didi. DJ, what my favorite song never invite to your fan. A fan of McBrown's Kitchen who also love you. Yeah! Hey! High grade family. Stacy! Stay, come. You make me want to rearrange the alphabet so I could put you next to letter I. Hey! Take my heart, baby, carry go. If you leave me, baby, I will take the turn as soon as you sing it. Hey! Let's go! Now I know the other own song, yes, sir. McBrown's Kitchen! Me feeling brownie, golden cheese chocolate. Me chatoli, each and every day. Thank you, DJ! My own, Aquaba McBrown's Kitchen, soon you. Stacy! Not to say.
Oh, now so I
when you're fine. Oh, they want by McBrown's Kitchen. Ben.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
You're fun.
Oh, nice.
Stacy, but you're free.
Me a girl in New Jersey.
Oh, wow.
A couple of times.
Over in New Jersey.
I'm a Jersey girl.
A Jersey girl. And then.
Maybe a New York/Jersey.
Oh, Jersey, baby.
Officially, me a New York.
New York.
Technically, me a Jersey.
And I'm going to nearly MiPROMO. McBrown's Kitchen.
Oh, nice.
On the motherland. You never share more. Or McBrown's Kitchen. I had no. And then you had the signing in a, you had the consigning in a chance in this year.
Sure.
Because you're Passiano.
Sure.
You have a vampire, Unsa. What's your one? I've been why? Okay. Yankwa.
Maumi dak peno etroya bo mbo na nudia kata du ka mi adu plago ma kata na ka ga funam yu. The yes phone come amen.
Amen.
Secondary school vampire no abo. Oh Lord, bless this food we are about to eat through Jesus Christ our Lord. Amen.
Ye akoma madidi. Hey.
Oh,
Hey.
Sweet.
Hey. Stacy told you. Bernard told you wait. Yeah, very bibia obi antene de.
Solid.
Na dia chi so do.
Ah, dia chi so a. Hey. We are left. O pass ya no.
Eni jimu.
Nti na me de chance ni nyina bia. Hey. Oh, you're careful. We need.
I don't know me.
We need be mema.
No one will be a one word you are when you be there.
I found a winning word my man. Wow, we say for. Ya serve we hu awie. Bernard. Ready, obi nkumo obi. Obi anko na ntokwa.
For taste na me hwa de. Mu mi no me mamo ayi.
Upper hand
mo for taste na me hwa de.
What do you tell you?
Nze ummi ya sana.
Anya ba de fa ntin ye.
It is a.
Zona ayo fatte.
Okay.
Yes. Say ya na epe no.
Okay.
You so sir. No we na koda. Stacy.
Yes.
Stacy, Danny, person will count on first. Bernard, the mini abema. I have a coffee because the same. Ediania to say.
First time.
O check me about. Yes, I'm more than near Odi. Me just say enter and go back one sao.
I will call you.
Wow.
Like wumpa.
Like wum.
Me pepe no the who do the two in first time on to say me komba who di we are no.
And now to say
it's very good. Yeah, and then it's not milk no and a cocktail no yeah with veggie no. Just in your combination near kunye.
Just in your combination.
I can't chicken no.
Well, never.
I'm glad that again no. Oh, enjoy.
Yeah, fine.
We're gonna make kind of quick fix.
Chicken is a bit of the yeah.
Once up a casa to send me.
Me, yeah, because
Bernard. You know Bernard, right?
Me, shower was nice. To last G3G Author of the Year. He was the main left hand or right hand for Mr. C and my manager.
Okay, so actually, I'm the vice chairman for the 3G Media Group in America.
Oh, okay. And I will win the award. To Musuo. And then that's so much McBrown's. Now, as a man, I be a Musuo went to me and Kumawood and be a Edo Koo Musuo, Ubeso Bisa Bernard.
Oh, but I just want to empower him.
Okay.
Because most of Ghanaians, last award me baho and me seeing him behind the scene doing what he has to do to make sure the program was successful. Ushering people, like not ushering as in just ushering, but making sure say be a better now, like like making sure
program will be very enjoy.
Or name to smile. Me being a Ghanaian, me proud. Say uncle Swanye. Jumapano now, so no, you na come to always be at service sincerely. No, from afar, no, people are also watching, and I'm proud to be an Author of the Year for 3G Media. No, you're part of the group.
Wow, Author of the Year. What's your book?
I'm a true book for Abrabomunsem.
Wow, you're true, Abrabomunsem.
I'm just say Abrabomunsem, set my sign, you may be some share. Mr. Hassan, I'm from far away.
You are from far away. You are from. Welcome home, Martin.
Thank you.
Ben, ye did it ever bon come. Stacy area, boy, so come on. Ain't you know? All the found wedding, then my measurement 20 way. Well, come on.
I'm glad that when you are home.
Come.
Yeah.
But Ben, Sini, yes, I think you. Abua will be a sell by.
Oh, and there's a Obia 77. Odi park or say Pabua. Because a pa in the sense of your Bruni because a porter. While Busan say, oh, a Juma we are bored. Bibia, we are the same Sekua, Tekua Nas and Poababa Butumbia. I am what?
Yeah.
Na Juma we are ye. And we know. So, option a Juma in the city and up. Enka and home Akatiano and Yanya. But ye in Ghana, and we are so fortunate there. Akatiano Yesika Nkoa. Nema be break come favor, especially. And opportunities. Inti because I'm more me there me dada me ho dada me nyanko.
Abowa me se wa kopi American nyina. What ate?
Sure.
Ama say wo no ire no ma. Et kama. Fe. How is marriage?
Marriage there is always a learning process.
Okay.
So far so good.
Now buy watch a movie view. Watch a movie view ban and saying.
But buy movie view. Many mama dey about show is really. You just okra hu me na eh wakumam.
Adai.
There's a big project.
Okay.
Me involved in. The producers no me no mun kasa tip. Me ebia mentimi en nanadi e wa ha.
On say sini adwuma ne nyina ye ya nyame adom de adu.
Sure.
Who ni sense say?
I said that I'm just no credit. I mean, mentimi enka. Se me fa say ka se enka ne ma pa be num. emphasis ho a be den pass e benya niam no ekofom sini adwuma no kofom pa ma me yes sure say aban no kura wa hu
say kofom
because impact na sini adwuma no ewo economy ne so no na eso pa nti ekofom no aban kura be den obe feel yeah ekofom pa
by ogidi say be ye
sure enim say nyame adom say o ma pass film bill no which to me is a big plus for the industry.
Yes.
And aban so ye ti aban se ne be ya obehu se hu hia ese na fata se obema nani aba film industry no because yen adwuma na koso a omo indirectly omo enya adwuma ye wo ho no kra no e doso bebre
apart from project here that wanim se wontumi kan wasempi bibi do anim a Bernard ye hwe wana ye hwe free wanim this year because one say you can't actors ye hu se fan kan ho. You are USA man.
Oh no, nothing. I mean, untimi, there's no way you can take me out of the industry. Any day, because Magdalene, everybody knows. Sometimes no, people get swollen-headed because of social media. No, never any panel. Wamba seeing him one or two be, then because of social media and then you know, people feel say yeah, you know, but. At the end of the day, receipts near the ABBR. Social media could take you places, but then you get there and then you don't have receipts to show. At the end of the day, Jumana, your receipts go up. And to say, a bus, a bedroom baby na, BB, you say, yeah, organize people in the industry now.
Because what you do, what pay what make.
And the funny thing is that some of us. Our adulthood, no. We came in as teenagers, and we've been in the industry for
over 20 years.
Yes,
of course.
So, and there, wow. No way.
Ben, from what you are saying, watch a woman. Obi a watch what you mentioned.
Of course.
Role model.
Sure.
I just need you to say one word to somebody watching you.
Remember, I say, Michelle, I say, no crack. So, we can't no cranny be choti, I can't even choti. Then so we can't trauma tea to so we can't trauma tea to us. We could count, sir. You could count 9. A brow be brands and that will be uno. The cano crack, you choti and there one time. Neko. Ne. Adie ni nyina so nyina ne say e was say we truthful and honest in everything you do and no any bit even what true baby a person true here in life because if you are truthful and honest that who could do sa point na unhwe wachi because untwa ntro bia na ya kwa ba say bra you are.
This is very deep. Thank you so much. And dear me did your love na we dia just say what punu me. I was there for McBrown's Kitchen. Salango. Stacy, thank you so much for coming.
Welcome, my pleasure.
Wow, we don't cast an amanda that. Come, Chamerica for you now. Ubuku no sono. Many so man be. Kind power. Yamisha netwa. Amen. I was there for McBrown's Kitchen. Ye say yana ye no debiana. Edu sabre pe. Munim say. Stacy or no so be dear aduane uncle kwa Johnny baby Ben I dey wish you now for me Stacy mature chancing any boy just ye now also what we say what about McBrown's Kitchen.
Thank you.
Ben abo so your burger and na makase nko na wo be minim say enche na ye be house woman ne ne ma bi
sure
intino we launch for book omno me make kitchen mami omu niam mu ye nyina obook ni.
Oh nice.
Enti no person na mama me book was so bam percentage.
Oh wow.
Ai.
Okay.
So man say who.
Oh nice.
Yeah, McBrown's Kitchen. Adiana ped there. I was 3 or 4. Ana ya ni mu besie. Ene medi jollof enti me kasa sasa. Me ne ye nyina sasa. Me hu mu na otwe sene. But ansana me kono. Me dia seda mama hisense. Me dia seda ma taste it up. Oh, Nana, concentrate on my memory. Delay mackerel and sardine alongside delay spaghetti. Sir, and I made a awake purified drinking water. I say one for life. Royal Kitchen Wear official Ghana. And the mom in Chensia. Me the year the anti so pay be from 055-996-7002 and 020-813-8885 and 055-870-3448. Royal Kitchen official for Chensen. Me do ma sepa launcher onyame won shiramo. Munyina me sponsors mama me muayedu. Borges olive oil. Borges me da sepa. You be share now Chancellor Bansana Mekon Lisa Del me da se for the week. For Lisa Del 054-060-118 Lisa Del Dianon Aligina Nyamin Shramo La Palm Royal Beach Nyamin Shramo La Palm Royal Beach La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. God bless you all. I don't know what to say, Mamma Manabroso. Don't find your love for me. We are Rabo, Debbie. Debbie. I was a for anti-American no chance. Na now McBrown me di nyame jamu nyina. McBrown's Kitchen ediane pa nyame sha si form nako. Bernard mama bai. Yapon. Mo fa brim. Ene fa kitchen why? Mama bai.
McBrown's Kitchen ediane pa. McBrown's Kitchen McBrown's Kitchen McBrown's Kitchen Yet to Kano Get it bow So when you know am I in here Yet to Kano Get it bow So when you yeah my share McBrown's Kitchen McBrown's Kitchen